How to fix Amazon Fire TV app not working. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the video till the end. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure you are running the latest version of the app. If not, open App Store on your device. Tap search icon and bottom right corner and search for Amazon Fire Stick Remote app. If you see this update button right next to the app name, simply tap on it to make sure you are running the latest version of the app. But if you still encounter these issues, then you need to go to Clear Appcast. For that, go to App Settings and then scroll all the way down to General. Tap on it and then tap on iPhone Storage. Search for Amazon Fire Stick Remote Mobile app and then tap on it. Once you're on this screen, you need to tap on Offload app. Tap again to confirm. It will take a bit for processing and then a reinstall button will show up. Simply tap to reinstall the app. This should fix the issue, but if it does not, then completely reinstall the app. Tap delete button and then uninstall the app, and simply from the app store you need to download it and your Amazon Fire TV app not working will be fixed. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.